Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial we will learn how to reverse a string in C++. First and the most simple way to do this is by swapping the values from first half with the second half. That is, first value swapped with last, second with second last, and so on using a simple for loop like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the string is reversed. In C++, we have inbuilt function to reverse a string. We just need to pass the beginning and ending address in the function like this. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is as expected. We can also do something like this. We can calculate the length or use the strlen function and then traverse the string in reverse order like this to get the output as the reverse string. Let's run this code. We can see that the string is getting reversed. If the string is a constant string, that is a non-editable string, we have to do something like this. We create a dynamic char pointer, copy the string in it, and then reverse it using swapping like this. In the end, we return the new string. Let's run this code. We can see that the output is as expected. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.